Hello. A few years ago I had a great idea to get myself a cheap car and spend my vacation while driving through Europe. So I got myself a VW Passat that cost me 500 euros and drove it through several European countries. This time in 2025 I had a whole different idea. I thought it would be wise to get myself a motorcycle and go to Europe with it. So I did. This is the bike. It's CF Moto 700 MT. Brand new. It was brand new when I got it. Now it has done around 8,000 kilometers. And it is just amazing. The trip is already done. It took us 12 days. We visited countries like, we started from Estonia. We went through Latvia, Lithuania, Poland, Czech Republic, Slovakia or Slovenia, don't remember. They're close and match by they're close and I don't remember. Austria, Germany, Italia and Switzerland also. It was absolutely amazing. The main goal was to visit some great passes over the mountains on the Alps. So we did it. We crossed Stelvio. It was fun and amazing. You can see it a bit later. Also we did Großglockner, that is in Austria, the highest peak. Visited Pikes Point and several other passes and countries, passes and roads that were great, were just amazing. It took us 12 days. We covered 5,500 or 600 kilometers, got back safe. This time I was not alone. My friend Michael was with me. He had his bike. He has Honda Africa Twin that also held up nice. No technical issues, no malfunctions. And we were lucky with the weather, or unlucky, because it was like 30 degrees outside, blazing hot, and in this suit it's like a sauna in here. But now we're back, safe. Vacation is also over, and now it's time to make a summary of the trip. Show you some videos that I made with GoPro, some videos that I recorded with my phone. So the quality of the videos will be different. Some of them will be on landscape, some will be vertical, but I hope you don't mind. Anyway, it was fun, at least for me. And yeah, check it out and get yourself a bike.
Kuna sõidudünaamika on hoopis teine, sikkel on raske. On küll, jah? Ma võrdsin, et 2 võtti keerama. Jah, jah. Tohib käed, kui kolev on. On, jah. Ja siis on meie reis siis algab Laidlametsa aiandusühistust Austriasse, Itaaliasse, kuhu iganes.
few moments later.
oleme oma reisi esimeses peatuspaigas, mis on stardipaigast umbes täpselt 10 kilomeetrit eemal. Peatumise põhjus vihmasadu. Kaalume tagasiminekut. Ja meie tagasihoidliku reisi kurat teab mitmes peatus on Viljandi. Väga kaunis koht. Suurem vihm on järele jäänud. Kustad võeti maha. Kohe paneme edasi. Hello and good morning. It's the second day of our journey and we're located in a beautiful city called Võru in Estonia. It's 7:20. Mihkel is cranky and let's plow ahead.
Start Võru linnast. Start Võru linnast. Äkki on kohta kostumine. Oi juhatada.
Last stop before the Estonian-Latvian border crossing. It's about 10 kilometers to go. Stopped at some nice side road. Bit of water and weather is beautiful and we have many miles to do. And we have successfully entered Latvia. Nothing special. Just like Estonia. Trees, bad quality roads, and that's about it. We are somewhere at the eastern part of Latvia and basically it's deserted land. It's only fields, abandoned houses and that's about it. Some farmers and nothing to see. Boring. The bikes are holding up good. We have done about 150 kilometers today. And no complaints yet. Ja sellises sitas ma pean siis sõitma enda asfaldirehviga. See ei ole üldse tore. Tere tulemast Leetu, kallid sõbrad. So this is the shit I have to go through. This gravel road is absolutely horrible. I'm all over the place. And we have successfully entered Lithuania through gravel roads and after some minor adjustments with the bike, like reattaching the mirrors or something like that, we will continue. Yeah, not happy. And our first long riding day is over. We got we're at the hotel in a city that I cannot pronounce. Recharged all the batteries, helmets, GoPro, and now some sleep, and we will continue the journey tomorrow. Good morning, it's 23 minutes past 8. We are at some random Lithuanian town that I cannot pronounce. First coffee of the day, second coffee of the day, and we have about 150 kilometers to go to the border. We will try to cross it. Maybe we will succeed, maybe not. And afterwards it's Poland. Let's see. We have successfully entered Poland. At the border, they checked our documents, and that was about it. Didn't even have to take the helmet off. And it's like 30 degrees outside. I'm wet as I don't know what. And we have done 252 kilometers today. Behind us is a nice church. We are some random parking lot, drinking water, and soon we'll continue. And we are in the middle of Poland, basically at the same trajectory as Warsaw. As you can see, we are dressed like two Teletubbies because we just went through a thunderstorm and drove in the rain. Heavy rain and thunderstorm, and wet like a pussy, and it's just awful. And we have 200 kilometers to go. Yeah, nice.
82 kilometers later.
And we are still driving. We have around 80 kilometers to go, and as you can see, we are heading straight to the thunderstorm. Oh yeah, that was a nice one. Again.
nii, teeme äikesesõiduvideot. Võib tulla päris lahe. Lähme.
Interesting and scary because driving in the rain is not so comfortable. Driving in the dark is not so comfortable. But if you add those two up, then it's really uncomfortable. So thumbs up.
One eternity later.
Hello and good evening. It's around 1 o'clock or 12 o'clock in Poland. We arrived at the hotel. The last 80 kilometers was pretty scary when we went through a thunderstorm, some rain, and it was dark and scary, but we made it. We booked a hotel and called them to say that we will be late. They said, okay, you can arrive whenever you want. We will leave the keys. You can enter and everything will be fine. So we came here, parked the bikes at the back, came to the room to find out that there is no key and there is no one around. So it took us around 20 minutes to get in contact with the hotel staff to get the key. So not a nice experience. But today's mileage was 625 kilometers and my ass hurts. Mine too. Yours too.